Hello and welcome. This is a drink called how to make iced blueberry pomegranate soda. First thing you gotta do is you put the ice cubes into the glass from this mini metal bowl. Then after that, you pour in the blueberry pomegranate carbonate water into this glass from this can. Then after that, you pour in the Pom Juice into this glass from this container. And there you go, folks. Here is your iced blueberry pomegranate soda. Enjoy, folks, and thank you for watching. Peace and cheers, and also have a good summer.